I'm late to the game as far as spring cleaning, but something I'm definitely going to work on is getting my refrigerator cleaned out. On the outside, it needs to be wiped down, but it needs to be cleaned out on the inside. I'm not going to tackle the freezer today because I don't have the strength to do both. But I'm going to get in the refrigerator and pull everything out, reorganize, because yeah, just take a look at this, guys. Everything is a little bit unorganized, and all the shelves need to be, and the drawers need to be wiped out. So we're going to get that done today. I'm using hot water and Dawn Power Wash to wipe down the inside of the refrigerator. I didn't want to use any kind of harsh chemical cleaner to be in there close to our food, so Dawn Power Wash for the win. The biggest thing with keeping everything organized and neat is that I know exactly what's in the fridge and I don't forget and let something expire, because I hate it when I waste food. So being organized helps me to remember what I have and to use it before it does expire. Something sticky had spilled out in the bottom of this, so just wiping it out was not going to work. I had to put it in the sink and really do some scrubbing to get it clean. I love how the shelves in my refrigerator are adjustable. I can move them up and down depending on how tall the bottles are that I will be putting in there. I really don't know what to do with that little section. It's not really big enough to hold anything much. it's time to clean the outside of the fridge, and I always use my favorite spray-away glass cleaner. I have used like stainless steel cleaners, and this always does a much better job. So if I could only choose one cleaning product to use, this would be it. Handles with a Clorox wipe because, yeah, germs. I was listening to a local radio station yesterday, and they were doing a quiz about an item in your house that's dirtier than a toilet seat, and I never heard the answer, but I started thinking about that, all the different places where lots of germs accumulate. And I'm sure this is one of them. Our hands are constantly touching this, or at least in my house, there's lots of people touching their refrigerator doors. So let's take a look at the final result. It's looking pretty shiny on the outside. It doesn't look nearly as full, and I only threw a few things away that needed to be tossed out. And I tried to sort things. I don't have like the fancy containers to sort things in my fridge. Maybe someday, but I don't find it really necessary. I try to keep all of like meats and veggies in this drawer. And then in this one, I have all the dairy and cheese. And then over here, I have the butter that I'm using like at that time. We also have vaccines for our cows over there. So that has to be refrigerated. I try not to bother those because, yeah, I don't want to mess with the cow vaccines. Some people might think that's gross, but hey, I live on a farm and that's just the way of life around here. So I have all the pickles, and I put olives and jalapenos in that little section, and that one is full. We do like our pickles around here. And then I have salad dressing, lemon juice, mustard ketchup. I probably could put the mayonnaise right there. I put the bigger containers over here because I'm not, sure that I could actually fit them, but I think the mayonnaise will go there. Yeah. Just turn the ketchup like that. And there's some seasoning, no, not seasoning, what is that? Injectable, yeah, seasoning that my husband used for turkeys at Thanksgiving, and he didn't use all of it, but it's still in date, so We'll keep that. Oh no, that one's for ham. What was that one for? That was for the turkey. It's butter, yeah. And I'm not sure why we have 2 bottles of A1 open at the same time, because they're both pretty full. Not sure about that. And over here we have all of our creamer. I told you guys, I'm a coffee drinker and I love creamer too. Maybe I'm more of a creamer drinker than a coffee drinker. I got to use that chicken broth within the next couple of days. I opened that up the other day and used about 2 cups. There's still quite a bit in there. So this is my refrigerator, all cleaned and organized. Thanks guys for hanging out with me. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.